Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm quickly going to show you another interesting thing you can do as a web developer, as a web designer, basically as a WordPress designer mostly. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on a local environment where you can design your website offline without uploading it to your final production domain. Okay, so to begin with, because I'm not going to waste too much of your time, I must reference a video by Code and Design. However, they recorded this video in a foreign language, so I decided to do this one in English so that many people might want the verbal interaction can get to set this up as quick as possible. All right, to begin with, you need just two things in place, and the first thing is you need a server, and the server we are going to be using is Xampp Server. So we have WAM server, we have Xampp, but today we are going to use Xampp. Okay, so to install Xampp, you can go to Xampp, just type on Google. So to begin with, just type Xampp Server on Google, and you have a lot of links here. So the one you are actually going to be using is the Softonic link here. So this is where you actually get to download the latest version of Xampp Server. So once you click there, it will load here, and then just click on free download. It's free for both devices, either iOS or Windows. Sorry, for Windows, and yeah, so just click on it and install it. And once you download and install it, make sure you are downloading it on make sure that you are the administrator on that computer that you are downloading this software, this application to, this server to. Then once you do that, just go ahead and install. And once you install, the next thing you want to download is WordPress. So simply go to wordpress.org, not wordpress.com. There is a difference between wordpress.com and wordpress.org. So when you get to wordpress.org, then you just click on Get WordPress on at the top right corner. So it will open this section where you see how to download the latest version. So download and install. Okay, so you just scroll down rather. So here you see the latest version of the WordPress. So just click on download WordPress, and the version will always be there. So once you install it, you have a zip file that you will need to install, or that you need to extract. Okay, so but before you do that, one thing you need to do first is to start up your Xampp server. All right, just go ahead and start up your Xampp server. So go to your applications and you see Xampp server, then just start it up. Then I have my own already started up here. Yours, you see it like this where it is stopped. So you just need to fire it on, click on start, and it will start. Then you have a server running. So now to start with, go to localhost localhost/phpMyAdmin. So the reason there is that you want to create a kind of database that you can connect to your local WordPress. So when you get here, you have some database here that you have already created. So just click on databases, and you can get started here. But before you create a database here, let's first of all do something. Go to your file manager, then go to, depending on the partition of your system, go to your local disk drive. Then you see Xampp Server right there. All right, so you see Xampp Server right there. Open the Xampp servers, then you see .htdocs. So this is where you are going to be installing your applications, your web applications, your websites. Okay, so what you want to do here is simply right click, then new and folder. So you create a new folder. Let's say the folder here is test. So this is our website. Our website is test. So to connect this with the database, you need to first of all create a database. So let's name our database as test. Then let's change this to collation. Then click on create. Okay, so I think I already have a database with that name that exists. So I'll just change this folder. I'll just change this folder to test site. Okay, test site. Now let's see what we get. Okay, what that is all. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to copy WordPress files wherever you pasted that, wherever you downloaded that WordPress to. Just go there. So I have my own on file manager here. I have my own on that download page. So I'll just copy it, then go back to local links, then Xampp Server, then htdocs, then on the website folder, which is our test site. So I'll just paste it there, then extract files here. Alright, now I'll just delete this. I'll just delete the zip file. Then I'll come inside the WordPress folder. Then I'll make sure I cut everything here. Then just paste it here. Then delete the WordPress folder, the folder that you extracted. Now you have our WordPress website. So that is all you need to do. That is not technical. That is all you need to do. Then the next thing is you just need to go to localhost to complete installation of your WordPress. Localhost /test site, which is our new site that we are going to be creating. Okay, now depending on the speed of your system, it might be faster than this, but it can take up to 1 minute or 30 seconds to load this window where you actually start to install your WordPress. So this is, select the language you want to use. I'll go with English, and then let's go. Then here you need to change the database. Here is what was our database? Test site. Then the username here is by default root. Then there's no password. Then localhost. Then the WP table prefix. So you can change this to anything. This one you can change it to anything you want, but because we are on this training, we just leave it on default, which is okay, by the way. So that is all. Then run the installation. WordPress will be installed. Then now you just set up your site title, test site. Then the username admin, maybe pass, which is the default. Alright, so that will be all. Click on install WordPress. Okay, so we have successfully installed and set up WordPress on the development environment, a local WordPress. We've successfully set up our WordPress website on our local host. So now we are inside the WordPress website. Then you can go ahead, install your theme and plugins. So you can use this environment to test new themes and plugins and new versions as they are being released before you take them to your production site, so you don't cause your site to break or get bugged up. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you do me a favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification options so that anytime I publish a new video, you'll be the first to know. Alright, I'll see you on my next video.